What's going on, guys? Crazy Game here, and today we are playing some Skate Free. Boom! We got the ground shake music already set up. Ooh, I wasn't looking at the camera. If I'm doing bad, I do know how to play the game. Ow! See, then I break all my bones. I put all of meat on as well, and this guy's the killer. I named him the killer. Yes, that's his name, the killer. That's what I named him. This game's not even like a skating game, really. I'm gonna try and jump the shark. Woohoo! I didn't jump the shark, but that was awesome. Ready? Now, if you hear like the ground shake, and then I fail, then yeah. Ready? I can fly! Ow! My bones. Help. Mamma mia! Ooh! Oh, see. Let's try and do something else. Oh wait, there's something down here I do know in this game. Oh shit! I was trying to do something. Oh god! Nope! Hang on. I wanna get back up here. Now. Ow! My legs. See, that's exactly why I put them up like that. You still flying down? Woohoo, baby! Oh, I'm flying around the corner. Oh, damn! Oh god! Right. So best of luck! Oh! Right, come on, let's do this. Oh! I will teleport to the Mega Park soon, just gonna. Okay, I'm teleporting to Mega Park. I haven't done much of the game. Super Mega Park, teleport. I haven't done much of the game, I've literally just been exploring it for hours. But yeah, letting the ground shake. It's awesome. Did we place a marker up there? No, we did not. That's what I love about this game. You can just run up stuff like that. Use the ground shake. Boop. Beep. What the hell? Did I just do? Oh my! How did I do that? Hang on. Well, that's how you do it. Okay. Is there other ways? Oh my god! I'm sick of this game. I know I shouldn't be playing this game because this game's like been out since 2010. I know, but I literally just started YouTube channel. Oh! Oh my god! Sick. That was groovy. Out my legs. Out my bum. Right, I know there's like a little. Oh, see, reverse turn. Ow! I thought that was perfect for the ground shape. That's sick. Pat slide. That was sick. Did no one just see that? Oh god, that was a new one. Oh, that, okay, hang on. I did something there. Okay. Oh, cool, hang on. Oh! Hang on, I was trying to do something. Oh, no, you... Ooh. Oh, hang on.
And down.
Oh. Sorry, I was planning like to do something where you like do something with your toes. I did it before.
Yeah, what's up? Hey, wait, hold on a minute. Put it down. Yeah, listen. Are you out there doing what you need to be doing? Because the board sales are slowing down. Make sure you get out there and get some coverage and do some stuff, alright?
Okay, we'll do some stuff. Challenge map. Let's sign up. What do you want me to do now? Oh, count the camera. Wait, I'm playing as not the same guy. Oh god. Was that it? The bum shot. Okay. Okay. Now what does it want me to do? We'll do a few challenges now. probably like 14 minutes. Probably like 10 minutes.
Yo, pick your poison, Grunt. Yeah, let's get this going. You got this.
It's just going easy.
Oh, Gary C. Run. This is in the bag. Yo, which one's the one?
That one. That's the one, lad! It's the one. It's the one! Okay. Oh god, 50. Okay. Sorry, I couldn't resist. Let the ground shake.
Ah, Retta told me about... Yeah, let's do this. Oh, that was so sick. Dude, you owned it. Oh, I hope I got it.
Boom! Look at that. Not a single mistake was what happened there. Yeah, see. Sick. That was sick. Ooh, more films. I gotta do films. I'm sorry, films are epic. I heard about custom making maps, so don't worry, I will be doing that eventually. Let the ground shake. Let the ground shake. Let the ground shake.
Oh, this place is kind of weird. But let's see what we can do with it.
Sorry, I had to.
Alright, ready?
What's this? Ow! That was not the ground shake.
Oh, nice, dude! Totally owned it. Hey, check this out,
Boom! The ground shake. It's epic that. Anyways, I'm gonna end this episode here and I'll see you guys next time then. Peace out!